Hi everyone. I'd like to share a bit of my stories, a bit of my struggles here in this. At first, I thought making money online was easy. Part of my entrepreneurship lectures on how to start a business without cash capital was to get into online or digital business. Why? Because it looks so simple and easy to do. But when I've tried it myself, it's super difficult and it ate up so much of my time doing research and watching tons of instructional videos. And the sad part of it, I never earned a single cent in my first 2 months doing this. Okay, finally I got to the bottom of it. I found hundreds of different ways to try to make money online. And I've listed 40 of my favorites here. And hopefully this could help you guys with your struggle as well in this industry. All you have to do is watch all 5 series of this video and simply pick the best work at home business that fits your choice and lifestyle. Okay, so by the way, there's no need to write notes here. I already provided all the links of the sites that I'm going to mention below. If you're here first time in my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I release new relevant videos. Alright, let's have the first part under series 1 of the 40 free work at home businesses that you can start in 2020. Right, let's start with blogging. So what is blogging? So you can create a website where you can write some contents within your niche, which you can make money through advertising, affiliate links, info products, or any number of other avenues. Bottom line here is that more traffic you can drive to your site, the higher earning potential. They say, those who've been ahead in the industry, it's an old way of making money. Blogging is an old way of making money online, but they also said that it is more likely to make passive income for us. So all you have to do is just keep giving new contents in your blogs. Another is vlogging. So what is vlogging? Vlogging is just like what I'm doing now. It is a form of blog for which the medium is video, and it is a form of web television. So you can shoot videos and upload them to YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platform for monetization, right? For making money. So you can start earning, for example, when YouTube start putting ads in your videos. So you can also earn from the affiliate links listed in the channel or from promoting digital or any sort of products on your channel. Alright, the next one is social media manager or social media consultant or social media influencer. So what is that? If you are social media person, meaning you spend most of your time in the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you can do social media management for companies or personalities. You can be in charge of representing a company across social channels as the sole voice of the brand. You will respond to comments, you compile campaigns and create content. You will also provide clients with the guidance needed to enhance their online presence. So your job is basically to improve website traffic and optimize brand awareness through social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Now, to help you with that and for you to start good, to start well, you can visit sproutsocial.com for some help or for some tutorials. You can also visit lumen5.com. Okay, so that once you've grown your own social media accounts with thousands of followers and subscribers and have enough influence within your network or niche, you can already build a business as an influencer that works with brands to promote products and services on your account. Okay, so that's it. Now for the fourth one, you can also become online course creator or educator. You can create an online course which allows you to make money talking about something that you love and do it from anywhere in the world. It means doing something that energizes you and gives you more control over what your career looks like and how you live your life. Okay, so you can try Ali Academy or aliacademy.com. That's a free e-learning platform that allows educators and students to create, share, and manage online courses. Alright, for the fifth one, you can be an SEO consultant. If you know how to identify and maximize search engine optimization, you can offer your services through different platforms like freelancers, Upwork, to help clients drive more traffic to your or to their websites, to their social media, and to their YouTube accounts. Okay. Another is get paid to watch videos online. This one's very, very interesting. Actually, this one is something that you enjoy doing. Most of us enjoy doing, but at the same time, doing it could earn us money. So by just watching videos, playing games, answering surveys, and a lot more. And you can below I have the list of sites that you can start doing this with. There's irazu.com, inboxdollars.com, swagbucks.com, what else? mypoints.com, and hulu.com. There's also that jobs.netflix.com. You can actually do all this there in those sites, and there are a lot more, but I tried these sites, tried signing up with them, and so I'm also just started doing it, all these things, so we could share our stories together, our progress in all of these things. All right, now of course watching videos for money can be fun, no, and quick way to make a little extra cash in your spare time. So if you want some cash quick, this is something that you can do. However, the payout here per hour can be quite low, and so you need to approach this with realistic expectations. Don't expect too much from this, but it's good to do while you're building your other online businesses. Okay, now next is eBay seller. If you want to sell actual products, you can easily set up an online store on platforms like eBay and sell a variety of different products there. Why eBay? The advantages of eBay is that it's a worldwide marketplace. It serves customers globally. It has an excellent SEO. It has fixed price listing and auction listing. Well, trust factor is there already because it's present in practically almost all countries worldwide, and the fees are lower. Plus, eBay also offers affiliate programs through multiple affiliate marketers who will take your product linked and promote your products in order to receive the affiliate commission. This helps increase your sales big time. Okay. Now, of course, you can also do that with other e-commerce platform like Amazon, like Alibaba, and other localized e-commerce platforms. All right, and the last one in this series is handmade business owner. You can be a handmade business owner. So how is that possible? You can opt to make or create your own products and set up your own handmade e-commerce store or set up a shop on any platforms to sell your handmade products online. So you might want to create your e-store with Shopify, with eBay, with Amazon, with Alibaba, or for free with Facebook through a Facebook page. You can actually do that there. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see you in my next series of videos. Series 2 is 9 to 16th of the online businesses that you can start in 2020. So see you all there.